Lunchtime and I'm not sure if I'm able to have this. It said to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. I put it in the air fryer thinking it'll be the same thing, and this is how it turned out. A bit burnt, so I'm gonna scoop it out onto a plate and I will see if it is edible. If not, we are moving over to the chicken and mushroom risotto that I got. I mean, the potatoes and the aubergine, it's not burnt or anything. It was just that top layer. That looks crazy. It'll all look the same in the stomach anyway, so let me try this. That is tasty. That is tasty. It's got cheddar cheese in there, like what's that word? Bechamel. This word. Bechamel. Layers of rich beef, lamb ragu, slices of potatoes, and aubergine. Let me try the aubergine. That aubergine is nice. Potato. I'm gonna try that. Let that cool down. Yeah, presentation, it is looking wild, but the taste. To be honest, that's my fault for putting it in the air fryer. I didn't think it'd make a difference because I thought air fryers are just mini versions of ovens. I guess because it's smaller, it heated it up quicker, which is why the top layer got burnt. So if you guys do it for less time. Oh yeah, and really good idea. I would rate this 8 out of 10 because I'm excluding the fact that it was my mistake. But yeah, 8.